Ready to boost your multitasking game on your Redmi Note 13? Here's how. Method 1. Using recent apps. First, open the app you want to use in split screen mode. Next, access recent apps. If you're using 3-button navigation, tap the square button. For gesture navigation, swipe up from the bottom and hold. Long press the second app you want. Then tap the split screen icon that appears. Easy, right? Now, for method 2, the advanced way. Open Settings and search for long press back. Or go to Additional Settings. Button shortcuts. Change long press back from screenshot to split screen. Restart your phone. Now, long pressing the back button on the home screen will activate split screen mode. Bonus tips. Adjust screen size by dragging the divider between the apps. To close an app, swipe it up. To exit split screen, swipe up on the divider. And there you have it. Master split screen on your Redmi Note 13 in just a minute. Got questions?